Now, another suspected case of avian influenza has been detected at a chicken farm in Pocheon, Gyeonggi-do Province. The Ministry of Agriculture, Food and Rural Affairs said Wednesday that around 24 birds had died at the farm, located just 45 kilometers north of Seoul. Officials say all 197,000 chickens at the farm will be culled as a precautionary measure, and inspections will take place at farms within 3 kilometers of the affected farm. In a bid to prevent the virus spreading, quarantine officials have imposed a 48-hour standstill order on poultry and livestock breeders in Gangwon-do Province and Cheorwon. Korea has been hit by several cases of AI since the first outbreak of the winter season in November.